Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You already have coordinates, now act. On desktop or mobile, open Google Maps. Click the search box, then paste or type latitude first, comma, space, longitude, for example 37, 4,219,999, minus 122, 0840575. Make sure negatives are present for south or west. This matters because the map interprets sign as hemisphere. Once entered, press enter or tap search, so maps can geocode the point immediately and drop a marker at the precise location. Once the pin appears, zoom and switch to satellite to check landmarks and accuracy, because aerial view reveals if the point lands on a building, road, or field. On desktop, right-click the pin, or on mobile, long press it to reveal options like directions, save, or measure distance. Use those to continue work. Make sure to open Street View when available to visually confirm addresses. This reduces guesswork and helps when you plan routes or need exact placement. After confirming the spot, use save or add a label to archive the coordinate. This keeps it easy to find. Tap share to copy a link or choose directions to route there, since maps will treat the pin like any address. If you encounter errors, try one key fix. Check your format, ensure it's latitude, comma, longitude in decimal degrees. If nothing appears, swap the two values, remove degree symbols, and retry. This resolves most coordinate parsing issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.